Upbeat background music playing opening scene. A person putting on the Oculus Quest 2 headset with excitement on their face. Narrator. Introducing the Oculus Quest 2, the ultimate all-in-one virtual reality experience that takes you beyond reality and into a world of endless possibilities. Cut to various scenes of people enjoying VR experiences, playing games, and exploring virtual environments. Narrator. With its advanced features, the Oculus Quest 2 is designed to immerse you in the action, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or connecting with friends in virtual reality. Showcase the product's key features: high-resolution display, powerful processor, and wireless freedom. Transition to a family enjoying VR together. Narrator. The Oculus Quest 2 is not just for gamers. It's for the whole family. Bring people together in a new way, sharing laughter and creating unforgettable memories in the virtual world. Highlight the ease of setup and user-friendly interface. Narrator. Setting up the Oculus Quest 2 is a breeze. Just put on the headset, and you're ready to dive into a world of entertainment. The user-friendly interface makes navigation seamless, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the magic of VR. Showcase compatibility with a variety of VR apps and experiences. Narrator. Explore a vast library of VR apps and experiences, from thrilling games to educational adventures. The Oculus Quest 2 opens the door to a universe of possibilities. Closing scene. The Oculus Quest 2 logo and a call to action. Narrator. Don't miss out on the future of entertainment. Upgrade your reality with the Oculus Quest 2. Order now on Amazon and step into a world where anything is possible. Fade out with the Oculus logo and product details on the screen.